Hello guys, welcome to Conversational Swahili with Ibrahim. In this lesson today, you are going to learn about politeness in Swahili, adabu. Now, let's get started. Number 1, asante, asante, thank you. Number 2, tafadhali, tafadhali, please. Number 3, samahani, samahani, sorry. Number 4, karibu, karibu, welcome. Number 5, pole, pole, sorry. Number 6, umeniambia, umeniambia, you told me. Number 7, nimekuelewa, nimekuelewa, I understand you. Number 8, naomba, naomba, I request. Number 9, subiri, subiri, wait. Number 10, haraka, haraka, hurry.